friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today let's prepare soft, juicy bundi laddu with jaggery. Once you prepare these laddus and start tasting them, you will not realize how many you end up eating. These are so delicious. Make these laddus and enjoy your special moments. I am so tempted to start making these as these are my most favorite laddus. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Don't forget to comment and raise a thumbs up if you like my video. Here we go. Ingredients required are gram flour. I have taken around 2 cups of gram flour. For that, 1.5 cup of jaggery. Today I am going to make it with jaggery. This is optional ghee. It is up to you. If you like, you can add, otherwise no. But I am taking around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Dry fruits of your choice. This is also optional. If you like, you can add them. Otherwise, you can just ignore them. First, let's sieve this gram flour. Let's add little by little water and make it into flowing consistency. Don't add too much of water at a time because we should have a lump-free batter. So we'll just take little by little water and then make it into a smooth batter, and that to flowing consistency. So now this is done. You can see this is a flowing consistency. So let's heat the oil. The oil has to be piping hot. So we will take the whole ladle and pour this mixture onto this. We should not disturb the ladle so that we get round bundi. This bundi need not be crispy, so it has to be soft. So we should not fry it for a longer time. It has to just get cooked, that's it. So this is done. Now we'll transfer this into a bowl. Now our bundi is ready. Let's start preparing the jaggery syrup now. So now we'll add this jaggery into the bowl in which we are going to melt this. We'll add little water to this, around 1/4 cup. We'll allow this to melt and filter this because this might have some impurities. So we have to filter this and then do the next further process. The jaggery got melted. Now we'll filter this. We will take a kadai in which we are going to make the jaggery syrup. So I'm going to add little ghee to this. I told you this is your choice. If you like, you add, otherwise you don't. But it tastes good. So I have taken little ghee. Now we'll add these dry fruits of your choice. I am adding only cashews. It is up to you. And fry them till they become little golden brown. So now these cashews are fried. I am going to transfer these into a small plate. Now we'll filter this jaggery into this. We should keep stirring it continuously till we get less than 1 string consistency. It should not be full 1 string consistency. It has to be little less than. When it becomes too sticky, then we'll see the next process. So now see, it's becoming sticky. Now this stage we'll add bundi into this. We'll add this bundi. We'll mix it nicely till this bundi soaks up all the jaggery. We'll add these dry fruits also into this. Mix it properly. See, there is little jaggery syrup down. So once it soaks up completely, we'll turn this off. So this is done. We'll allow it to cool down a little bit. Before that, what we will do is we will take a little quantity aside we are going to cool this down completely and grind it coarsely so that we can mix into this and we get a juicy bundi laddu. I've told you we have to grind it a little bit. See, like this, little coarsely I've done it. Now we'll add this into this bundi mix. So we'll mix this properly now. I've just greased my hand with little ghee. And now I'm going to make laddus. Here is our super delicious and yummy bundi laddu with jaggery is ready to be enjoyed. Almost many of us like this bundi laddu and is made in many of our families. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.